Jai Hind to all the students. This is Pooja Upadhyay from Shri Ram Public School. I welcome you all to Shri Ram Public School online classes. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is retail trade. Retail trade. A retail trade. Before starting the today's lecture, I want to explain once again what we did yesterday lecture. Okay. In yesterday lecture, we have studied about the wholesale trade, under which we have studied that wholesale trade is a trade where the wholesaler buy the goods in a large quantity with the producer and sell to the retailer. Okay. Now today we are going to see the retail trade. Under the retail trade, it represents the sale of the goods and product on merchandise or services for personal or household consumption. It means that here we are going to study about that the retailer, the person, those who sell the goods for the final consumption to the consumer. It means that he is dealing in a very small quantity, selling the goods to the final consumer. The final consumer means the person, those who buy the goods for his own self-consumption, not for the resale. It is a selling of the goods in a small quantity to final consumer in comparison to the wholesaler trade. Means the wholesaler sell the goods to the retailer for resale, right? So here it is saying that a retailer sell the goods to the consumer for the final consumption. Those who himself make the consumption of the goods. Now next we are going to study about the features of the retail trade. Features of the retail trade. Features of the retail trade: buying and selling in a small quantity. Here we are going to study about the that a retailer buy the goods in a very small quantity and sell also in a very small quantity. Having the wide variety, local market, consumer satisfaction, limited capital and risk, limited staff, personal attention to customer, last link, keen competition. Among this, we are going to see the first one. It's your बाइंग एंड सेलिंग इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटी. पहले तो आपको ये लगा होगा ना कि मैम बहुत स्पीड में सारे फीचर्स बोल दी, एक्सप्लेन नहीं करेंगी क्या. लेट्स सी. बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ द स्मॉल क्वांटिटी. Buying and selling in small quantity. It means that the retailer is a person, those who sell and buy both the thing he do in a very small quantity. In a very small quantity. He buy the goods and sell the goods to the consumer in a very small quantity. It means that the retailer buy the goods from the wholesaler in that much quantity only, how much he can able to regularly sell to the consumer. Because the person, retailer, not having a godown or warehouse facility, as we studied yesterday, because the wholesaler providing such a facility to him. Okay. Now the next one is your wide variety of the goods. Retail trade. Under this we have studied that a retailer is a person, those who provide the wide variety of the goods. Wide variety of the goods, it means that the retailer is a person, those who are having a lots of variety of the goods. Through him only the consumer can able to get the all the goods whatever they need at a one particular place. Okay. Now generally the retailer is a deal in a local market. As when we come out of the house, जब हम लोग घर से बाहर निकलते हैं, जैसे ही हम लोग घर से बाहर निकलते हैं, कोई भी सामान खरीदने के लिए पर्टिकुलर जगह पर जाते हैं, बस वो लोकली अवेलेबल होता है. जैसे सब्जी लेना है या किराना के सामान लेने हैं, ग्रोसरीज आइटम्स लेने, तो वो हमारे नियर बाय ही अवेलेबल होते हैं. इसीलिए कहा जाता है दैट द रिटेलर इज़ अ ट्रेड हु डील इन अ लोकल मार्केट. नेक्स्ट, consumer satisfaction. The main important component of the retail trade is the consumer satisfaction. Consumer satisfaction. Because retailer is a person, those who ultimately deal with the consumer. Those who deal with the consumer. So it is a responsibility of the retailer to do the satisfaction of the consumer, to do the satisfaction of the consumer. He himself alone provide the satisfaction to the consumer by providing all those goods which the consumer need at a particular time whenever they need it. Okay. So that's why it is said that he make the consumer satisfaction. See, three pictures are there, first, second and third. One is sad, one is silent and one is very happy. This three situation when occurred. जब भी कस्टमर मार्केट में कोई सामान लेने के लिए जाते हैं, ठीक है, तो उनका एक लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है. जब वो उस गुड से एग्जैक्टली वो लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन अचीव कर लेते हैं तो वो साइलेंट रहते हैं। कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि उन्होंने जितनी उम्मीद की थी उस प्रोडक्ट से, पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट से, उससे ज़्यादा ही सेटिस्फैक्शन उन्हें मिल जाता है, तो इसमें वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी होते हैं। लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि हम जो गुड्स लेकर के आए हैं, ठीक है, उसमें सेटिस्फैक्शन जो हमने उम्मीद की थी वो नहीं निकला, यानी कि हम ये कह सकते हैं कि वो हमारे बिलो एक्सपेक्टेशन के चला जाता है सेटिस्फैक्शन। तो इस सिचुएशन में ये चीज़ें होती हैं। जो सेंटर वाला पिक्चर है वो ये शो कर रहा है कि यहाँ पे कंज्यूमर मोर सेटिस्फाइड है, और यही मेन मोटो होता है रिटेल ट्रेड का कि वो अपने हर एक कस्टमर को हाईली सेटिस्फाइड करे। ठीक है, उसका मेन मोटो होता है टू मेक द कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन। नेक्स्ट, if you want to go to open a business organization, so you go for the retail trade, because under this we need a very less amount of the capital and less risk is also there in this kind of the business organization. That's why it is said that limited capital and limited risk, यानी कि बहुत थोड़े से पैसे से ही, बहुत थोड़े ही पैसे से आप लोग रिटेल ट्रेड का बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टार्टअप कर सकते हैं, because that there is a limited capital, the risk is also very limited in such a business organization. Okay, next, limited staff. As the retailer is dealing in a local area, right, so the level of the competition is there, and you know what, the consumer coming and going, it's also by 24 hour, right. तो इसमें होता क्या है कि जनरली ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना कि रिटेल शॉप पे पूरे लोकल एरिया के कस्टमर एक साथ आ गए, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग अगर लिमिटेड स्टाफ भी अपॉइंट करते हैं दैन इट इज़ ऑल्सो इनफ। सो इट मीन्स दैट इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू ओपन अ रिटेल ट्रेड बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, राइट, सो यू कैन इफ़ यू हैविंग अ लिमिटेड स्टाफ, सो इज़ दैट ऑल्सो पॉसिबल टू स्टार्ट इट। ओके, so that's why it is saying that limited staff is fine under the retail trade. Personal attention. Generally when we go to the retail shop, there only we are going to get the personal attention, because the retailer is dealing with the customer personally. It means that whatever the customer want, his choice, his taste and preference should be considered by the retailer, and according to that only he provide the goods to him while asking. Okay, so that's why it is said that here the retailing trade personal attention is possible. Okay, next, last link. A retailer is the person, those who come under the last link in between the प्रोड्यूसर एंड कंज्यूमर। प्रोड्यूसर एंड कंज्यूमर का जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल है, इसके अंदर लास्ट लिंक में आते हैं ये रिटेलर। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज़ अ कीन कंपटीशन। कीन कंपटीशन का मतलब होता है ईच एंड एवरी रिटेलर वांट्स दैट दे देमसेल्फ हैविंग द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ maximum number of consumer, and that's why they are trying to satisfy the customer, right, and decorate their shop also like that the customer should get attract towards their business organization. Okay student, we'll stop here only today. If you having any doubts, you can ask me in the evening lecture. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, take care, have a nice day.